Also DJ Noah's mom. Let's pick one more since we pulled Aaron twice. Owner of the Vancouver Canucks, Shane Dog 2K12. So Aaron, Zach, and Shane spots for you in bonus box break 13. So next bonus, guys, is Deal or No Deal. So we got the wall 20 tins. Man, I wish Dominion was tins again this year. I mean boxes instead of the tins. So we'll pick one individual to play Deal or No Deal. I'm actually going to double it up today, so we'll have two people play Deal or No Deal. So we'll start up with one individual, and then we'll pick another tin, but we'll just have to reduce. We'll pick another chip. We'll just have to reduce the number of tins you can pick from. So let's start with our first one. First Deal or No Deal player for this Sunday afternoon break is the New York Rangers. The New York Rangers. Felix Victoria. Phyllis. And Phyllis is watching live. So she will choose 3 numbers from 1 to 20. And Phyllis will be playing Deal or No Deal. Three numbers from 1 to 20 in the order that you'd want them opened. Seven, 5, and 8. Alright, just going to grab them. $17. 5. 5. And then 8. So we got 17, which is number 1, 5, and then 8. So we'll start with number 17. So in box number 17, Phyllis, you have a pair of SP Essentials. Wayne Gretzky, Mark Messier. Pass or keep. And she passes. In number 5. From Captain C, you've got a Ted Lindsay auto. So you can keep it or pass. And she passes. So whatever's in number 8 is coming your way, Phyllis. And it is free spot in my next hit draft. So Phyllis, free spot for you in an upcoming hit draft, which there'll be plenty of coming up in the next 2 weeks. So congrats, Phyllis. So now we'll select our second player. So second player for Deal or No Deal for this break will be owner of the Colorado Avalanche. Colorado, Sean, 1989-77. Sean here. Oh, he's quick. 4, 13, and 7. Alright, I'll grab them. Four. 13 and 7. So number 4. In number 4, we've got a nice rookie trios from Ultimate. Mark Scheifele, Brett Connolly, Sean Couturier, number 27 of 50. You can take this one, Sean, or pass, and we'll move on to the next tin. So the choice is yours. You're going to take it? So Sean, trios is coming your way. Alright, we'll just check what's in 13 and 7 and see if Sean made a good choice. So in 13, there was a free spot in the next break. His choice of team. And in 7, Joe Nieuwendyk. Prime from Limited. I'd say you made a good choice. So that is the break, guys. So hope you enjoyed Sunday afternoon auction. Let me know what products you guys want for next Sunday's auction. I posted it again in the forum. Yeah, give me 1 sec, guys. Yeah, so thanks a lot, guys. Just had to save the video there. So let me know what you guys want next Sunday. There's a poll in the forum. And we'll always be doing the dual boxes, so pick what you want. And I think you guys are enjoying the Sunday afternoons. Do a few breaks earlier in the day. So thanks a lot, and watch for quite a few hit drafts coming up in the next 2 weeks. Thanks, enjoy the rest of your Sunday.